is Michael Beach with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We've been talking about a series of videos with the topic being emotional intelligence. And today's the last one. Hurrah! So here's the idea. If you're going to make your emotional intelligence one of the anchors of your life, your career success, you got to start somewhere. So here's where to start. Start with you. Go first. You, yourself. Raise your emotional intelligence. After you've worked on it for 6 months, if you're taking a great approach, you're going to see your emotional intelligence is improved by 8, 10, 12, maybe as much as 15 percentage points. That's phenomenal. And people around you are going to notice the difference. That's where we start. What do you do next? Then go work with everybody on your team. The people that report to you, the people that you work with on your team, and introduce them to the concept of emotional intelligence. Remember, it's the strongest correlation that exists in the world of business between the highest performers and the rest. The highest performers almost always have very high emotional intelligence. And the reason why they're so valuable to their corporations and their teams is because they bring out the best in themselves day after day after day, and more importantly, they bring out the best in everyone else as well. That's why this is so important, and we've done so many videos on it. I hope you've enjoyed them. We've certainly enjoyed bringing them to you. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, where we deliver ambitious results. See you next time.